When you think you have a good innovation program or you don't know what to improve on, I would say to come because there's always something to learn. I didn't think I was going to learn this much.
This is my first time being in person at Innovate Boulder. The event has been absolutely phenomenal. All of the different client speakers have been incredibly engaging.
Boulder event's been incredible. It's been amazing to hear from so many incredible speakers from so many different companies. Great themes around technology, around innovation, around digitalization. The themes that have emerged around sustainability have been absolutely invaluable.
It's been really great. I got to learn a lot of new things and meet a lot of new people, doing a lot of networking. And I'm going to take away some of these things and definitely apply it, so it's definitely been a helpful event.
All the presentations I always do, that's the great thing about the Hype events. You hear what's working for other people, you see different visuals that they bring, and it kind of sparks a new idea, and it gives you a new takeaway or something to take back.